Hey everyone, Bob Hogan here from Barcode Shack. Have you ever printed barcodes from Google Sheets only to find out they're unscannable? Don't worry, I've got a simple fix for you. The issue lies with the Libre Barcode 39 font in Google Sheets. To make your barcodes scannable, you need to add start and stop characters. What are these characters? It's simple, an asterisk. Here's what you need to do. Add an asterisk at the beginning of your barcode. Add another asterisk at the end of your barcode. That's it. By placing an asterisk at both the start and end, you ensure your barcode is readable by scanners. Now let's turn these into scannable barcodes by selecting the Libre Barcode 39 extended text font. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.